Alright, so guys, hirap na hirap akong i-install yung bagong Perk World Mobile, but with a little research, this is what I found out. So, kailangan natin ng VPN. Okay, teka, tabi ko muna tong icon na to. So, VPN na ginamit ko ay itong EUT VPN. So, after installing it, I connected to London. Now, ang nangyayari, pag pumapasok ako sa Play Store, still the same thing. Hindi pa rin lalabas dyan yung Perfect World Mobile, or sasabihin niya na this item isn't available in your country. Perfect World perfectworld.com English Europe. And then ito na siya, mga updates, teaser Perfect World Play Store, playperfectworld.com pa siya, registration, and then itong Play Store. Yan, this item is not available in your country. So paano natin yan gagawa ng paraan? Here's how we do it. And then let's go to settings, apps and notifications, apps, and then let's look for Google Play Store. First stop, okay, first stop app may cause it. First step, yeah, so storage computing, first step na siya. So I think it's all good. So habang nandito tayo, yan, so clear cache natin and clear data. Alright, so yan na, first step na natin, na-disable na natin. Now let's try to reopen Play Store and hopefully it works this time. Okay, so yun na siya, pero let's get the link from their website. I believe it's playperfectworld.com, parang ganun. Fly with me in the perfect world. Ano ba yun? Hindi ako makasipol kagising ko lang kasi. Yun, ganun yun. Registration, ito na. Still the same thing, so epic fail tayo dyan. Alright guys, so di ba nag-fail yung first attempt natin kanina after clear data, clear cache. So one thing that I've noticed is, alright, you have to change or you have to use a new account, Google account. Alright, so pwede mo siyang palitan kung meron ka pang ibang account, or I would suggest that you create another. As you can see guys, play Perfect World Mobile. Ayun, nakita nyo, lumabas na siya. So yan. Alright, so guys, that's the process. I will not go through the details of changing account and Play Store. I believe there's a lot of tutorial in YouTube. I-search nyo na lang, pero yan, install ko na siya guys, okay? So in a few hours we'll be able to play this game already. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you haven't yet, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, like this video and share it to any other person or any other gamer who would like to play this Perfect World Mobile. Okay, by the way guys, this is the Europe version. Alright, so magkakaroon pa yan ng C version, which is Southeast Asia. But this is already the first ever English version of Perfect World Mobile, so you might as well check it out. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Goodbye for now. Let's stall it.